Sunday na. Okay, let it be. Yesterday, other day we have seen one way of creating reader. Yesterday we have seen creating reader with what? Anonymous subclasses and instance blocks. But one more way is there, guys. This is the easiest way. Whatever you feel comfortable, you use it. It's not compulsory you should use particular way. At the end, all are going to give the same thing, Rabab. Okay. What is this? Flat file. Yeah, all are readers only. Reader. Reader. Flat file item reader. What is that, guys? Employee. Flat file item reader employee. Now tell me next one. Flat file item reader employee. Here, what is this? Create reader. Create reader. Okay. Now listen, guys. Return new flat file item reader builder. There is item reader builder, guys. Item reader builder. Flat file item reader builder. Next, there. First source. First resource. First resource. Array, this is the thought, Rababu. Don't confuse. This is the thought. We have a lot of method chaining concept, guys. Logical name, resource, delimited, dot delimiter, names, target type, build. Everything will be there, but this one. Okay, name is optional to give, guys. Name, what is this? File reader. Okay. Next, resource. New class path resource. New class path resource. Tell me, guys. Resource, new class path resource. What is the file name, guys? Employees. Employees info.cs. Employees info.cs. Next, dot delimited dot delimiter, comma. Next, delimiter dot delimiter. Every information will be there. Method chaining, guys. Method chaining. Very easy one. Very, very easy one. Easiest one is this only. Dot set names. Oh, set names are not coming. Name is there. Dot field setter. No, okay, we'll see. We have a reference now. Dot names is there. Dot target type. Dot names. What are the names, guys? Employee number, employee name, EMP address, salary. Next, dot set target type. Dot target type. What is the target type, guys? Employee dot class. Dot build. Over na, boss. Yes, here is my @bean. Name is equal to reader. Hey, giving bean ID is optional. It's the easiest one, guys. Since people are crying, array so much code to do, that's why they have come up with this method chaining concept. What you feel comfortable, you stick to that. You stick to that. Whatever you feel comfortable, you stick to that. It's up to you. It's a regular traditional one. This is while working with what? To reduce the number of lines in code. And this time, one builder is there. Builder is taking care of everything by supplying the details that you have taken. So with this, Raider is ready. I think other day itself, I have completed processor development. Array, this is logical name, just a logical name. If you don't, you also not a problem. If you don't, you also not a problem. Just a logical name. Okay. Then guys. Okay. It is expecting some generic type, guys. Nothing else. It is expecting some generic type. Yeah. Reader is ready. Processor already we developed, right? Now what is left? Writer, guys. This is also reader. Okay. Reader version 1. Reader version 1. Reader version 2. Reader version 2. Reader version 3. Reader version 3. Cool, guys. Reader version 3. Comfortable or not? Are you understanding my statement, boss? Right. Now let's develop the writer. Writer version 1. Yeah, right now what is guys? JDBC batch. JDBC batch item writer. JDBC batch item writer. JDBC batch item writer, guys. JDBC batch item writer employee. Create writer. @bean name is equal to writer. Control plus shift plus. @bean name is equal to writer, guys. Clear, my dear? Come on. Super, guys. Now tell me first of all, create JDBC batch item writer object. JDBC batch item writer employee writer is equal to new JDBC batch item writer. Super, guys. Now listen carefully, guys. Okay. Here we have to inject the data source. Data source DS @auto void data source DS. @auto void data source DS. Next. Set data source. Writer dot set data source DS. Writer dot set data source DS, guys. Next one. Set SQL query. Set SQL. Insert into what is the table we created, guys? Batch underscore employee. Batch underscore employee. Values. But better to take the named parameters. Array parameters will have a name, colon. It starts with colon, and try to match them with Model class property names. Employee number, employee name, employee address, salary. Employee address, salary. Gross salary and net salary. Gross salary and net salary. This is my employee number. This is my employee name. This is my employee address. This is my salary. This is gross salary. This is net salary. Okay, I'm trying to match the names, guys. I'm trying to match the names. Okay. Writer.setSQL. Writer.setSQL. Come on. Next. Array. Writer.setSQL. To this query for this named parameter, I have to give processor supplied employee class object property values as query parameter values. Query parameter values. Understanding my statement, guys? Getting my point, my dear? Come on, I want reply. I want reply, my dear. Come on, guys. Tell me here how to deal with that. So, employee create writer.setSQL. Come on. First time you are seeing named parameters. Spring JDBC supports named parameters, guys. Actually, question mark symbol should be there, but in that place, named parameter. But these parameter name must match, guys. Now tell me here, what is this? Yeah, specify source provider. Specify the source provider. Writer dot set item SQL parameter source provider. New. What is this? Bean property. Item SQL source provider. That's it. Yeah. Bean property item SQL source provider. But one condition is there, guys. What is that condition? What is that condition, guys? The names of named params must match with the names of named params must match with come on. The names of named params must match with what, guys? Must match with named params in SQL query. Must match with no, we cannot use, guys. See, guys, we are not here to write every lines now, boss. JDBC batch item writer means you supply input, it is expecting, it will prepare prepared statement object internally. If you are not there to write entire JDBC code, right? Match with model class property names. Model class property names. Cool na, guys? Super. Written writer, boss. Written writer. Written writer. Written writer, guys. Written writer. This is the one version, guys. This is the one version. Okay, if you don't like this version, see, guys, Here version 2 will not be there with subclass and instance blocks. Why? Instance block. And we are not calling any methods on any object, Babu. On writer object only we are calling method. Are you calling methods on other objects? In bean property, item, SQL parameters, so are you calling any methods? No. That's why there is no need of taking what? Anonymous subclass and instance block in this one, because sub objects are very, very less. Sub objects initialization is very, very less. That's why I am not going to give any code by using anonymous subclasses and anonymous subclasses and instance block. So shall I give for another one, guys? Public, guys. Public. JDBC batch. Item writer. Employee. Create writer. Create writer. @ name is equal to writer. @ name is equal to writer. @ name is equal to writer. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Batch config.java. JDBC batch item writer employee. Create writer, guys. Simply what, guys? Create writer. Simply what, guys? Create writer. Okay. Shall we get into the discussions, guys? Come on. Right, boss. Tell me here, what is this? Yeah. Now here, return new JDBC batch item writer builder. Oh, you know this. Set first data source DS dot. Then what is that? SQL. This query as it is. This query as it is, guys. Next. Dot bean mapped. That's it. There is no need of doing anything else. Bean mapped. Bean mapped. Bean mapped. Okay. Dot build. Over. Yeah, sir. Why it is not happening? That yellow mark is coming because of this employee. JDBC batch item writer builder employee dot data source DS dot SQL dot bean mapped dot build. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. Yeah, what is easy, guys? What do you feel easy? This method chaining one is becoming easy or not? Array, since you got maturity here, you are enjoying this. Without this, if I write this code, it looks like a abracadabra magic, right? Okay. See, it's up to you, boss. I'm not saying this is good, this is bad. At the end, everything use same objects. At the end, everything use same objects, guys. Same memory allocation takes place. 19-20 ka farak, right? Small differences in memory utilization, but at the end, it is same, guys. Wantedly, I am giving these many versions, guys. Okay. Though it is taking time, but wantedly I am giving multiple version so that not only you'll be positioned to write your code, when you join in a maintenance project, you should be in a position to understand others' code. You should be in a position to understand others' code, guys. Sometimes that is also most important, right? Okay, guys. Super, guys. Okay, since everyone is liking this method chaining one, guys, I'm just keeping method chaining reader ready. I'm just keeping method chaining writer ready. Okay, cool. Now let's go for step preparation. Step preparation. Public step, create step, public step, create step one. Public step, create step one. Tell me, guys. Return SB factory dot get step one. Return SB factory dot get step one. Step one. Next one. Dot chunk. Chunk size I will take 3. Chunk size I will take. What is input? Employee. What is output? Employee. Dot. Tell me. Dot reader. Create reader is the method that acts as a reader. Dot writer. Create writer is the method that acts as a writer. Dot processor. What is that? Create processor. What is the processor? Dot processor. Here is the processor, Babu. Here is the processor. Processor is there here, na boss. Yeah, the same processor I have taken here. Yeah. Next. Dot builder or anything else? Dot build. End of the story or not? End of the story or not? I want reply. Step of preparation, guys. End of the method. This is my step of preparation. Public step, create step one. Remaining all are same. How to make it as a spring bean, guys? @bean name is equal to step one. @bean name is equal to step one. Is that clear, guys? Easy. I spend a lot of background, Babu. Now also, if you don't say easy, I am helpless. Each one I have introduced separately. Remembered? Already entire protocol is there in our brain. Yes, na boss. That too on POC also I have given. Please, at this stage, don't say difficult. I will be arted. Template is same. Only readers and writers will change time to time. Public. Public job. Create job one. @bean. @bean. Name is equal to job one. Name is equal to job one. Which one we will take? Batch properties Java. This one. Which one? Which one we will take? I think interface Java only. Okay. Next. Return JB builder dot JB factory dot job factory. JB factory. What is the bean ID? What is the injection? JB factory only. At line number 129, one is missing. Oh, job one. Return JB factory dot. Achha, written spell mistake. That's why. JB factory dot get job one. JB factory dot get job one. Come on. Tell me. JB factory dot get job one. JB factory dot get job one. Tell me here what is there? What is there? What is there? Dot listener. Dot listener. Dot listener only. Array here listener object is there or not there? Yes, listener. Same listener I'm taking up here, guys. Same listener I'm taking up. Array strength is very less, ra Babu. Sunday, why you are behaving like this? Okay. Next one. After that, what next? Array, we have to take incrementer, dot incrementer, right? Or in which order steps should be happened, boss? Incrementer. Tell me, new run ID incrementer. We have discussed all this stuff earlier. New run ID incrementer. Next, dot start step. Start step. What is that? Create step one. Okay. Create step one. Okay, guys. Dot build. Yes. We are having this object now, boss. Job object now. Yes, we are seriously having job object here or not? Here we are having job object or not? Step one here, job one here. Cool, guys. Super. Okay. Yeah. I think we are ready with all batch config objects, guys. That's cool. After that, what next, guys? Okay. We need to develop the runner. I think almost everything is ready. Now, what is left to develop, guys? Runner. Runner we have to develop. Okay. Now, shall we see that runner? How to develop the runner, guys? Yeah, I think processor is ready, model is ready, everything is ready. In application.properties, we have taken those entries, na schema and false, both the things, right? Okay. Now let's take the runner support, guys. Let's take the runner support. Batch test runner interface. Command line runner. Batch test runner implements command line runner. Super, guys. Yeah, I can at the rate component first. Oh. Private what is that private? Job launcher. Private job launcher at the rate auto. Private job launcher at the rate auto. Cool, guys. Next. Okay. What is another one, guys? Job. At the rate auto. Job, guys. Fine, my dear. Here, job parameters, guys. Job parameters. Params is equal to new job parameters. Job parameter builder dot new job parameter builder dot. What is the one, guys? Anyone remembered? What is the method? What is the method we are having? Job parameter builder. Okay. Add. No, there is something, some other class is there. Let me review. See that. Job parameter builder. Yeah, I'm searching for the same thing, na. Job parameters. Job parameters builder. Okay, we'll type, guys. Job parameters builder is there. Okay. Builder dot parameter you have to add. Okay, add date. One parameter I'm adding as a date. Sys date. Some anything you can add, guys. New date of, but that is not going to come in the form of this. Java dot util dot date dot job parameters. Okay. Prepare optional, guys. Prepare job parameter. Next. Run the job. Job execution is equal to launcher dot run job comma params. Okay, I think we didn't get the proper job execution, guys. Let me add cast to job executions. That means what? It is not imported, right? Proper job execution. Job execution of Spring Batch should be utilized. Right, boss. Yes, boss. Next, sys out job execution status. Execution status dot get exist status. Get exit status, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Batch test runner dot Java. Batch test runner dot Java. Okay, guys. Job execution status. Execution dot get exist status. Execution dot get exist status. I think all set for execution, guys. We all set for execution. First of all, let me show table. SQL developer table is empty. We have 1000 CSV records, right? But I would like to write only those records to our DB table whose salary is greater than or equal to 15,000. Whose salary is greater than or equal to 15,000. Got the point, guys? Super. Connection one, guys. System manager. Done. Yes, guys. Tables boss. Tell me here what is there. Tell me what is there. What is there? What is there? Yeah. Batch underscore employee. Super. Done. Data. Here is the data one. Right now, empty boss. Fine. Let's start executing this runner boss. Everything is there in the runner. Run on Spring Boot application. Yeah, if any small issues are there, we will sort out. Super. Exception has come. Caused by, what is this? Invalid number. Invalid number. Invalid number. Why invalid number, guys? SQL invalid number. Everywhere same reason. Why so? SQL syntax. SQL syntax. Invalid number. Ayyo, everywhere. Data integrity exception. Invalid number. No, I didn't use any sequence, Babu. I don't need any sequence support. Go to batch config, boss. How many parameter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Salary is order changed, boss. Order changed a little bit. Sequence of named parameters. First salary is taken. Next, this is taken. Okay, guys. After salary, comma is missing. Right. Done. That's perfect, guys. Right click, run on Spring Boot application. Done. completed, exit status. Are 1,000 only, na? It is doing very fastly. 1,000 only, na? It is doing very fastly, guys. Job status completed. Job status started. This is the work. That's job start time completed. End time is this. Exit status is completed. Okay, exit status is again what? Completed. Let's see, guys, whether records have come or not. Okay, out of 1,000 records, how many records have come, my dear? 990 records have come. That means 990 people are having above. 990 people are having what? About 5,000 salary. Okay, guys. Sorry, 15,000 salary. Above 15,000 salary. Got it? Are we doing everything on your own? No. Ready-made readers are there. Ready-made writers are there. Only processor sometimes we develop on our own. Remaining every process is in our control or not. It is simplifying. It is simplifying your life or not, guys. Easy? Easy or not? Okay, boss. So lastly, what is there? Run the application. Run the application. So I hope you enjoyed second serious application, boss. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed second serious application development. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, you want to see batch repository related logs, guys? Wait a minute. Say refresh. Say refresh. Batch repository related logs. Let me get into batch word a lot. All these are the batch related. This one. Job execution. Parameters. Job instance. Step execution. Step execution context. Step execution context. These are the log files. Check it out. Rishikesh, in my company, daily we are using file processing, but not with your provided simple logic. That means what you are trying to say, Rishikesh Yadav, my logic is simple or their logic is simple. You have another simple logic? Let me know because I am open to learn. Okay. Rishikesh, are you saying I am providing simple or your company is having simple logic? My logic is simple. Thank you then. Right. See, guys, these are the things. Observe very carefully. Job instance. Okay, see. Job instance ID. These many instance ID are there. This much thing. Job key. Job execution story. You observe execution params. Okay, these are the parameters, guys. These are the execution parameters. Okay. Right. Hash map and all this stuff. Job execution. See, it is keeping track of, guys. Job execution ID. Each time task is happening at milliseconds, it is keeping track. Failure one, success one, both it is keeping track. See, failure one also it is throwing exceptions. Whenever failed, it is holding the message. Whenever succeeded, it is holding the null. Whenever success has come, it is holding the null. Did you realize that? Okay, na? Right. Some of these things might be having old data also. Don't confuse. These are old. Last year I have executed for other batch. Just look at last two entries only. Please, look at last two entries only ours. Last two entries only ours. Why? Because these tables are created earlier for other execution. Understanding my statement? Last two entries only ours. 140, 160 IDs are there na. Only they are ours. Remaining all are previous batch ones, guys. Failed, completed. Enjoyed, guys. If 1 lakh records are there in CSV file, then also same process. Then also same process, guys. Okay, only one time you have to keep the setup ready, guys. Abhi multiple requests will not be there. Multiple requests will not be there, Rabav. Here you have to think that collecting from one source, processing and writing to another source. Think in that angle. Think in that angle. Don't think about request kind of thing. Don't think about request kind of thing. Okay. Or if failure come, batch processing will fail and it is throwing the reason. Okay. Is it possible to read all formats of file? No, for a different format, different readers are there. For a different format, different readers are there. Okay. Arey, sir, this task should happen at regular intervals. Very simple, Rababu. Right now, employee numbers will get duplicate problem, guys. If you want to see this happen at regular interval, here you write the code. On the top of run method, @schedule. On the top of run method, @schedule you write. Okay, 1 minute. You want that to happen now? Wait a minute. Batch underscore employee. Done. Refresh. Okay, now I am looking from you guys. This is again emptied. Emptied now? Fine. @scheduled. @scheduled. Tell me. Okay. @schedule. Cron is equal to. Tell me, boss. Certain time. certain time after something. First what? 6 stars are 6 stars. 6 stars. First milliseconds, 0. Next, what is this, guys? 10 I want to execute. 10 I want to execute. Seconds are okay. 10th minute. 10 a.m. 10th minute. Come on. 10 a.m. 10th minute. Yeah. Every day 10 a.m. 10th minute. Okay, fine. Other days it will happen or not, we don't know right now. So right now, okay. Okay, 1 star is extra. Let me remove the star. Okay, we'll keep, I think 10-7 we'll keep, guys. 10-8 we'll keep. 10-8 we will keep. So let's run the application. Run as a Spring Boot application, guys. What's happening, guys? Completed exit. Completed exit. Why scheduling is not happening? Acha, enable scheduling is missing. Got it, my dear. Enable scheduling is missing. Let me do that work. Okay. Okay, right now 10-7. Let's make this one as a 10-10. Okay, meanwhile, you go to which place, guys? Main class, guys. Here, @enable scheduling. @enabling scheduling. Oh, run as a Spring Boot application. Any method run only no arguments. Only no arg methods may be annotated with scheduled. Okay, got it, guys. It is having arguments, guys. That's why it is hurted. Okay, what I do is I'll make this method as a run batch method. What method, guys? Run batch method. I'll take this method as what? Run batch method. Then no need of making it as a runner, guys, because runner anyhow execute schedule, anyhow it will be there in our control. We'll make it what? Service class. We'll make it service class, and this will make it as a business method. This we will make it as a business method. Okay, guys. Let's make it 10 10 10 11. We'll make it. Okay, let's see, guys, whether scheduling is happening or not. Spring Boot API. Yeah, it is waiting means scheduling is taking place. It is waiting means definitely scheduling is taking place. I said, na, Spring Batch plus scheduling is the great combination. Did I give that statement earlier or not? Suresh, no time complexity, guys. Time. Then we can go for parallel jobs, and a number of things are there. We can have a scripts, job scripting, a number of things we can do. Right, guys? Okay, I think I have to wait for 10 11, right? 10 11 happened, huh? But it is not responding, Ra Babu. Did we write correct cron expression? Every day 10 11. Yeah, that's fine. Then why it is not doing its work? Did we write correct? Done, boss. Now done. Completed this at 10 11. What time job started? 10 11 00. Completed 10 11 01. Super. Refresh. Happened, boss. Okay. Now let's come to this model, guys. Okay. Let's come to this one. In the same document, Control E, Windows E, Control E. Let's make it 12,000. Let's make it 10,000. How to enable? How to enable? Okay. Scheduling on batch process. On batch process. This is my question, guys. Answer. Since @scheduled cannot be applied on method with arguments. Cannot be applied on method with arguments. Method with arguments. So We cannot add scheduling. We cannot add scheduling on the run method. On the run method of runner class. On the run method of runner class. Since @schedule cannot be applied on method with arguments, we cannot add scheduling on run method of runner class because so we cannot runner class. So yeah, for this we need to take separate service class having one no arg business method to apply @schedule on the top of business method. On the top of business method. Okay. All right, guys. Step number 1. Place @enable scheduling. Place @enable scheduling on the top of @enable scheduling on the top of main class or configuration class. Here you can place on configuration class also, guys. Choice is yours. Main class or configuration class, your choice. In batch config also you can place. Not a issue. Not a issue, guys. Okay. Arey, Rushikesh, next Thursday onwards you will be having spring rest followed by that microservices. Clear? Coming Thursday onwards. In spring batch, if something is left, I will take on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. In spring batch, if something is left, I will take on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, boss. Right. Understanding my statement, guys? Spring Boot application enables scheduling, boss. Step number 2. Develop service class having @scheduled method. @scheduled. Having @scheduled method. Everyone got the clarity, guys? @auto job launcher. All these are nonsense, guys. This is most important one. Clear, guys? Super. Right. Don't worry. I will show how to interact with MongoDB. I will show how to work with Spring Data JPA. Many permutation and combinations we are going to work out. You will enjoy Spring Batch like anything. Got it? I think now you got a grip on the coding. Now onwards, what happens, Now onwards, what happens, boys? What happens? Readers, writers will change time to time. Little bit processor will change time to time. Remaining everything is repetition one. Remaining everything is repetition one. And next few application we will develop very fastly, guys. Right. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow at your regular time.